and so many vibes. You keep wondering how I use all the damn speed and strength to come over here, man. I'll tell you the remedy. I'll tell you why I have so much speed and strength inside me. I'll tell you the reason why I did that. It's because of this. Odogwu beaters. Before I tell you about Odogwu beaters, let me have a sip. Odogwu is not your mate, brother. It's not your mate. Woo! God damn! Woo! Number one, strength. It gives you all the strength you want. It gives you extra strength, inner strength, outer strength, and the strength you want. Yes. Number two, speed. It gives you all the leverage of speed you want every fucking day. It's about Odogwu. Gives you a lot of speed. You see how I run over here with so much energy? That's Odogwu beaters. Number three, endurance. It gives you endurance, man. You can endure from now till tomorrow. That's what Odogwu beaters. Number four, energy. Oh my damn God, it gives you a lot of energy, man. Look at that person when gives you energy. If no be Odogwu beaters, aka Papa Chila in small sizes. Papa Chila. I mean, you need to bring that. And the fifth and the most greatest is satisfaction. That girl where no one give you rest, say, come, man, you bench this, that. Man, drink this, man. She go carry her pants and jump through the damn window, man. This, you gotta trust this. Odogwu beaters. It's all for you, man. Try Odogwu beaters. Cause rocks. Odogwu beaters. You gotta try it. Hey, you got the sound, man. That cold by now, transport. I miss my fucking travel flight. I don't need, bro. I got this, so I gotta drink this. Damn. Woo! She got